sweet June. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy and called a fried rice. Here I have ingredient. If you don't have time, this is the best for you to make it. So I'm going to make this for my families and easy. So I have main thing, I have rice. I've been using brown rice that have been cooked yesterday, the best one. And I have a mixed veggie frozen, and I have around 1 cup of mixed veggie. You can have use a fresh one, but I don't have. I have a use a frozen one. So I have around 3 small medium size of sausage, and I've been cut in the cube. And I have a small piece of breast chicken, and I've been cut in cube too, so everything in the same size. So around small breast chicken, we don't have much meat, so it's around 200 breast chicken. And here my sauce, I have 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and I have around 1 teaspoon of chicken mix powder. If you don't have, no worry, go without this, but I'm going to have use this. And I have 1 tablespoon of chili paste and 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and around 3-4 garlic chopped it up. And here is seasoning, golden mountain seasoning sauce, and I'm going to use around a tablespoon of this sauce to put in my breast chicken to seasoning it. So here I'm going to pour it. So here around half tablespoon, and I'm going to make it with this sauce, make it well before I'm starting to stir fry. So it's here. So now let it cooking. Now let's start cooking. So I have a wok, and I will turn it on to have a hot. So now I'm going to pour around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into my wok here. Yeah, perfect. So then I'm going to put my chopping garlic here into my wok. So let's stir fry the garlic until good smell coming on. So now starting smelling good, garlic get a good smell. I'm going to put my chicken, fresh chicken here. Get a good mix on it. Like to stir fry this fresh chicken around maybe 1 minute. Breast no need to cook long time. And I'm going to add my sausage. To give 1 minute and fry it. Well, then I'm going to put my frozen veggie here. So have to fry it maybe around 2 to 3 minutes to let it mix together and let it cook a little while. So now I'm stir frying my veggie and my meat around 2 to 3 minutes now. So I'm going to add all my sauce. So I'm going to add my new sauce. So put all the sauce in here. Yeah. and you mix all the sauce well with the veggie and the meat, and let it cook around 2 minutes more, 2 to 3 minutes to let its sauce a bit going down. So now I put the sauce and I stir it well and combine together, and around couple minutes now. So I'm going to put my rice, use brown rice. You can also use white rice, whatever you having, that's fine. So I'm going to mix my rice all together with my veggies and my chicken. And I'm stir fry it a little bit dry, more crispy and dry but nice. So maybe stir fry around a couple minutes more. So my fried rice almost done now here. So I'm going to turn off my cooking stove. And here my rice looks like. And here I have some spring onion. If you don't have, you know it. If you don't like, you don't go in. But I like it. I go in with my dressing. So here I just put away. And done. Let's give more extra taste and more smell good. So here done. Time to dress it up. So here is my fried rice. I am been done and dressing up. So this is the best easy, and this is I recommend that for a 10 to 15 minutes done. If you don't have time, this is the best one. So I hope you enjoy my video, and please visit my website and see you again. Bye bye.